Hello friends, Noah here and welcome to this 15th Kiluba tutorial. Today we are going to talk about a very important subject, which is how to ask for help. Let's get started. Bukwashi means help in Kiluba. Kukwasha means to help. Kulomba bukwashi means to ask for help. For example, Nomba bukwashi means I ask for help or I'm asking for help. The next one is Kukimba bukwashi. Kukimba bukwashi means to look for help. For example, Kimba bukwashi, I look for help or I'm looking for help. The next one is Kusaka bukwashi. Kusaka bukwashi means to want or to need help. For example, Saka bukwashi means I want or I need help. The next example is Dijna Jehova ibukwashi bwetu, which means the name of God is our help. The next example is Bukwashi bwabine butambanga kujileza, which means the real help comes from God. So we are going to review. Bukwashi means help. Kukwasha means to help. Kulomba bukwashi means to ask for help. Nomba bukwashi means I ask for help. Kukimba bukwashi means to look for help. Kimba bukwashi means I look for help or I'm looking for help. Kusaka bukwashi means to want or to need help. Saka bukwashi means I need help. We have next example, which is Dijna Jehova ibukwashi bwetu, which means the name of God is our help. The next example is Bukwashi bwabine butambanga kujileza, which means the real help comes from God. Let's continue with our next set of examples. We have the first one, which is unkwashi, which means help me if you're asking to one person. In our previous tutorial we discussed about personal pronoun subject, and I advise to watch the previous video before watching this one. And in between brackets I've explained where the first word comes from. It comes from the combination of u, an, and kwashi, which gives unkwashi, which means help me. U means you, na means I, kwashi means help. Now if we combine the three, it becomes you, me, help, or help me. So we have the next one, unkwasheko, unkwasheko, which means help me please. The ko at the end of the word means please. If you're asking to one person, you can say unkwashi, help me. Or if you want to add please, you can say unkwashi ko, which means help me please. The next one is munkwashi, munkwashi, which means help me. If you're asking to many people, there are many people, and you want to ask those many people for help, you could say munkwashi. Again, here between the bracket I've explained where this word is coming from. We have mu, which means you, plural form, and na, which means I, and kwashi, which means help. Once again, if you check our previous video, you will see about the personal pronouns, and you can understand better this phrase. So monkwashi means help me if you're asking to many persons, many people. And the next one is monkwashi ko, which means help me please if you are asking to many people. So we have the next example, which is witukwashi. Witukwashi, I've also showed between brackets. It is composed of three words, we, to, and kwashi. We come from the verb to be. If we check our previous tutorial, I think it's 5 or 6, we talked about the verb to be, kui, and you can see where the we come from. Witukwashi means help us. And the next one is witukwashi ko, which means help us please. If you are many people asking to one person, for example, if we want to ask to God help us please, we say leza witukwashi ko. If you are many people asking to one person, you can say witukwashi or witukwashi ko. The next one is mwitukwashi. Mwitukwashi. Once again, the mwi come from the verb to be, and to pronouns, and kwashi means help. Mwitukwashi. Mwitukwashi if you are many people and asking help to many other people. That means many people asking help to many people. Those many people can say to the other many people mwitukwashi ko, or mwitukwashi, which means help us. We are going to review one more time. Unkwashi means help me. Unkwashi ko means help me please. Munkwashi, help me please. Help me. Witukwashi means help us. Witukwashi ko means help us please. Mwitukwashi means help us, and mwitukwashi ko means help us please. Thanks guys, that's it for today, and we'll come back in the next video with some more Kiruba. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see each other in the next video. Bye.